If you want to bypass the forgotten screen lock password on a Motorola Edge 70, if you don't remember the password and you cannot access your phone, then what you can do is you can perform a factory reset of the device by going to recovery mode. Unfortunately, of course, in the process you will lose everything that you have on the phone, so you have to keep that in mind unless you have a backup. But at least if you do that, you should be able to access the phone again. So in order to perform the factory reset by going to recovery mode, in this case, the easiest way to do so is by force restarting the phone. So we're gonna press and hold the power button. And in the meantime, you can use volume buttons in order to refresh the screen, because it takes just a couple of seconds to put the display to sleep by the phone automatically. So we're gonna use volume buttons in order to refresh that, so we know when the phone actually restarts. So after that, once the phone restarts, what you're gonna do is you wanna press and hold the volume down button. So let's press and hold power. And like I said, if needed, just keep pressing volume up. And once the screen shuts down, we're gonna press and hold volume down. And as you can see, now we are in the fast boot mode. In here, you can use volume buttons in order to go through all of these different options, and you want to find the recovery mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Now we need to wait. We will see the Hello Moto screen, and then there will be the no command text on the screen after that. So in this case, you want to press and hold the power button. And once you hold the power button, you also want to press volume up. So press and hold power and then press volume up. There we go. Now, in the Android recovery mode, we should be able to also navigate with the with volume buttons, and you want to go to wipe data / factory reset. Confirm by pressing the power button. And then you should be able to go to factory data reset, and then if there's anything to confirm, then of course you want to do that. And if you go back to the main menu of recovery mode, you want to reboot the system to go back to the normal mode, and you will have the initial configuration again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.